Hi guys, I'm feeling fabulous and I'm ready to have some fun. Are you? Because today we unbox FabFitFun here at Supposably Chic and it starts right now. Hi guys, Cindy, Supposably Chic, and the subscriptions just keep coming. Today we are going to talk about FabFitFun. This box is kind of heavy, so I'm going to set it on my lap. This subscription is a quarterly subscription that you pay $49 4 times a year when it comes, spring, summer, fall, winter. And there are full-size items in this box that are sort of designed to be around wellness and skincare and makeup and hair care and just sort of comfort. There are a lot of really cool things in this box and I'm excited to unbox them with you guys. So let's get started. When you first open the box, on the very top is a magazine, and the FabFitFun magazine has a lot of really interesting stuff in it, guys. It talks a little bit about the products that are in here, but it also has little mini articles on health, wellness, fashion, etc. It's really cool. Once we open it up and we get into the box, there are 2 sheets of paper that we get. The first is the link, guys, to help you, my YouTube community, get your own FabFitFun box at a discount. And the second one is the actual product card. Now, when you go online and get your FabFitFun box, you do have the option to select a couple of items. For instance, in here you'll see I got a striped tote bag, but I could have gotten a fold-over clutch purse. I just didn't know where the right spot would be for me to use a fold-over clutch because I have so many purses. So I went with the tote bag because for me, tote bags are totally versatile. I can use them to put my workout stuff, my beach stuff, my work stuff, whatever I want to. A lot of the other stuff though was a surprise, and we have in our box some skincare, we have some hair care, we have some sort of, I guess, comfort and wellness items. We have some bath stuff and some, I guess, gosh, I don't know what you would call it, just all around fun, cool stuff. The first thing we're going to look at is the Briageo hair conditioning mask. Guys, this really smells, it smells good and fresh, and I can't wait to put it on my hair. Basically, if you kind of take a look, I'm gonna put some on my hand here, and you can see how thick it is, and it's really soft. It feels very moisturizing. Basically, what they ask you to do is to put this on your hair after shampooing but before conditioning, and leave it on for 10 minutes. And guys, they recommend that you use this once a week. So I will start using this and we'll see how it looks. I believe also it is sulfate free, silicone free, and no parabens. So that's important. We always want to make sure we have hair care products that have no sulfates at all. Let's go on to our skincare now. We were sent the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate facial exfoliation, and it just comes in a tube. There is a little coupon inside for 20% off and free shipping when you order it again. And also there's a little recommendation that says use it in the shower because the steam from the shower will help open up your pores. So that's a great tip. Again, Kate Somerville ExfoliKate. And basically it's kind of interesting because you go ahead and you squeeze it on, you squeeze it on your fingers and sort of mix it between your fingers, and you put it on your face. And you can see, if you leave it here for a little bit, it actually sort of dries almost like a mask, which is a little different than a lot of exfoliators, and I'm kind of excited to try this. So essentially on a nice sunny night after I get out of the bath, I can have, you know, freshly moisturized hair and exfoliated face. I'm kind of excited about that. So let's look at what else we got that will help make our bath and shower time easier. In our box this month, in the editor's box, we got a hair wrap towel. Now, for those of you like me who have long hair, you have thick hair, you know sometimes it takes forever for you to blow dry your hair straight from the shower. I have a couple of towels similar to this, but not this brand, so I'm kind of excited. I'm not going to show you right now, but essentially, if you've had one of these, you know how it works. This guy actually has a button. There's the button. So basically you're going to put this on your hair, you're going to wrap it like a turban, and then you're going to button it together. It is a microfiber, anti-frizz, and it's, again, like I said, a fast-drying hair towel. So that is cool. And just for you guys, what I do is I just hang it up next to my bath towels, so it's always there when I need it and it's always dry. We also received Grace and Stella 4-pack of bath bombs. Guys, these make your bath so amazing. I'm very excited. I believe there are actually 4 different kinds. And again, these guys are paraben-free, cruelty-free. It looks like that's sort of a theme through the FabFitFun box. Of course, it's my first box, so we'll see, but that's always important to me. So excited to have a nice, relaxing bath with these guys. One of the things that I'm really excited about, guys, is they call them travel mask, but I actually can kind of see this as a sleep mask as well, and it's fun because a lot of them are just sort of black and sort of fuzzy. But this is a Understated eye mask. It is leather on the front. It has an adjustable strap on the back, so you can actually I did it the wrong direction. There we go. So you can make it larger or smaller. It also has, and it's kind of hard to get out, so I will just tell you about it, but it has a cooling pad inside of here that you can take out and you can put it in your fridge if you want to sort of have that cooling eye pressure right when you go to bed. So again, I kind of like the fact it's got some funky little stars on it. Not that I'm going to see them because I'm going to be sound asleep, but it's still cute for everybody else. And this is the Summer and Rose striped tote, and you guys just see it doesn't just look like it belongs at the beach. It has a zipper. It has really nice sort of nautical tied straps. It's a good size for beach wear, and it's got a couple of pockets here on the inside that you can put your phone and your keys so they don't drop to the bottom. But guys, just look at how cute that is. I'm really excited I got this instead of a clutch purse because I have so many purses. In fact, I could probably put all of these things in here if I tried hard enough. So that leaves us with 2 items left. One of them is a Tarte eyeshadow palette, and I really love Tarte, you guys. At some point in time, I'm going to do like an Ulta haul, and you guys just be like, girl, you need to like reel yourself in, because Ulta and we have a very, very scary relationship. And I love me some Tarte eyeshadow. So this eyeshadow palette is primarily neutrals and metallics. Hopefully if we put it up closer you can see. We've got, and one of the things that I like that Tarte has done is on their base color, they make a really long palette, I guess. Because that is my thing, is I'll use the base color so often that it's the first one to wear out, and then what I do with the rest of the palette. And guys, the last item is really cool for me because I am a caffeine junkie, and this is a Ayesha Curry mug. Apparently she makes a limited number of these mugs every year, and FabFitFun apparently gets to have first dibs on them. And there's a lot of things that I like about this mug. Hopefully you can see here it says I'd rather be in bed, and there are plenty of mornings as I'm drinking my coffee that I'm thinking that exact thing. So it's a kind of a good size cup for me because again I'm a big caffeine drinker. I like the color and the style, and it's just a cute little cup for me to enjoy my coffee in the morning. So guys, this is what we got for FabFitFun. I can tell you it definitely is over $200. If I had to buy the tote and the Tarte eyeshadow palette and the mug alone, and then oh gosh, you throw in like the exfoliation setup, there's definitely over $200 worth of stuff here, and they're all stuff that I could use right now. That's the one thing with the Birchbox and some of those other boxes is like, you know, this perfume little sample I got is way not my smell, so I have nothing to do with it besides discard it. And these guys, they've done a really good job at selecting all the items that I would use regularly. So guys, let me know what you know about FabFitFun. If you are interested in joining, like I mentioned, there is a link that you can go to. I also found that in addition to the editor's box, there is something that's called a starter box. So if you're not sure if you'd like FabFitFun, but you want to check it out, you can get a starter box, which is about half the size of this box, and it's only $19.99. And you can only get it once, and you have to be a new customer to get it. So I will also put down a link below on how you can go to get the starter box. I don't think that the same discount link will work for you, but definitely you can do a, I don't know, like a try before you buy, I guess, to start with a small box, see if the items work for you, and go from there. The other great thing that I like about FabFitFun is it does only come 4 times a year. So it's a very manageable subscription. So guys, continuing to look for really cool subscription services to check out. So far now we've seen clothing, here at Supposedly Chic. We've seen food box reviews. We've now seen FabFitFun. What else is there out there that you guys want to see? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. There's a link below. That'll make sure that you are notified whenever we have new content, and we are having new content at least once a week. Also, please like and share this episode. Share the link. Share the things. You know, I've been seeing FabFitFun showing up on my Facebook feed for probably the last year. But I never really knew what it was, or if it was worth my time or worth my my investment. And guys, I really like I said, I will use every single item that I got in here, and I don't get to say that very often. So please check it out, like and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments, again, like I said, what other subscriptions you guys would like to see. You know, fill in my gaps. You know, a lot of times these subscription services that we're reviewing here, when we're unboxing, we're doing it for the first or the second time. I've had a lot of great comments down from the community that are sort of helping me along this journey. So please, don't be shy. Let me know what you think. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one.